Sugat is Israel's biggest sugar supplier since 1957. In 1996, Sugat, in conjunction with its British parent company, ED&F-Man, began to import white sugar in bulk from various European countries in Bibo ships. Ever since, bulk white sugar has been the most consumed product in Israeli industry. Sugat produces and supplies white sugar of the highest, most stringent standards while monitoring quality 24 hours a day. Sugat continues to lead the sugar industry thanks to its values of innovation, investment in sophisticated equipment, and the most advanced technologies. Sugat has been a household word in the Israeli kitchen since back in the 1950s, when the company bought sugar beets from the farmers near Kiryat Gat and turned it into sugar. The combination of the words sugar and Kiryat Gat led to the name Sugat, which then became one of Israel's leading food companies. Sugat now imports, manufactures, markets, and distributes hundreds of raw and processed food products in Israel and abroad. The company is involved in every stage of the process, from harvest and manufacture to the moment the product is delivered to you, the customer, at home or work. Sugat products are purchased directly from the source, both in Israel and in 50 other countries on 5 continents. Our acquisition department locates suitable suppliers in Israel and abroad, follows market trends, and times its purchases according to season for maximum quality. Israeli raw materials are supervised by Sugat, which helps farmers with their choice of farmland, finding suitable varieties for given products, overseeing harvests, and receiving and storing merchandise. These high-quality raw materials are received by Sugat and are meticulously sorted and cleaned. After a professional quality check, the product is packaged, from 1 kilo packages to 1,000 kilos in big bags. Further quality control after packaging ensures that Sugat products maintain the high quality for which Sugat has always been known. The final products are stored in the company's logistical center, from which Sugat supplies the products to industry and the institutional market in large amounts or in small distribution trucks. Sugat is currently Israel's leading company in the supply of grains, dry legumes, various types of rice, and dry food products for retail market, industry, and food service.
אנחנו בחברת סוגת עושים כל מאמץ לענות על צורכיהם של לקוחותינו המקצועיים והתעשייתיים. אנחנו מאמינים בשיתופי פעולה ארוכי טווח, והבנה כי הוגנות עסקית, חומרי גלם איכותיים ומחירים אטרקטיביים הם הבסיס לבניית שמם הטוב ולהצלחתם לאורך זמן.
Sugat is your natural partner for productivity in the food business. Sugat, for food professionals.